Mina Ngizanxusa Collett Letlojane. I'm with the Human Rights Institute of South Africa. Tina, what we want to do here in support of what is happening in Zimbabwe, sifuna ukukhuluma naba party yetu ya ANC under the president of Cyril Ramaphosa. Sikhulume nama party abo DA, sikhulume nama party afana nabo EFF and others. Sibabonise ukuthi they have a duty and responsibility ukuthi basize abantu baseZimbabwe. Abantu baseZimbabwe nabo banamalungelo just like thina. Siphuma ku apartheid lapho besingafanelanga ukuthi singavota. So ukuthi ama vote ayenzekele eZimbabwe bokukhona izinto ezingahambisana kahle ukuthi izithombe zabantu ama leaders bezingabonakali kahle nama numbers nabantu ama numbers abantu bangekho is not something that South Africa must support. Bafana ukuthi babasize. So thina will be popularizing sitshelo wonke umhlabathi la eSouth Africa ukuthi what has happened and then how to help abantu baseZimbabwe ukuthi nabo babe ne democracy efana nathi yase South Africa where we can speak and demonstrate and vote in a free and less violent environment. Siyabonga.